Okay, I'm gonna be taking out my keyboard, and I'd like you all to watch on my Dell E4300. Also, this is the same way you do it on the 6000 series, 6300, 6400, Dell 6300, Dell 64, Dell 6300, Dell 6400, 4300, 4000. I'm going to have to remove the keyboard because the keyboard is faulty. So what you want to do is pop this over here, get a flathead, pop this open, this little crease here open, pull up like so. Uh, oh yeah, put it all the way down like that, the screen. Pop it up, pop. Got it. Once you got that popped up, it'll snap. You can remove this long thing. Now you're gonna have some screws. Now you're gonna have to some screws. You're gonna have to take those out. You're gonna have a few screws to take out. I'm gonna show you. You're gonna first you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, flathead, and then a forehead. Forehead screwdriver. There's going to be some screws that we're going to have to take out before we remove the keyboard. There's going to be two screws to take out. So we're going to take those out first. I'm going to show we have to take those out. Oh, there's going to be 3 screws. 1, 2, 3 screws that we have to take out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to take those out. So, pretty quick. This is super easy. I'm glad this model is easy to take the keyboard out. Be careful, these screws are really small. They can pop out or they can be lost really easy, so be super careful. Because if you lose it, drop it on the floor, it will be very hard to find. You gotta be careful of that. So we got one. Next one. And this is much better to just do this yourself than getting somebody to repair it. It costs you a lot to replace the keyboard. Showing down here, I'm doing this one. Probably can't see really well, but it's like that. Oh crap. Very careful when you take those out. Okay, we got one more. It's all the way on this side. Right here. See that? 1, 2, 3. One on the end, one in the middle, and all the way this way. 3, just 3 on this model. So we're going to take that one. And they're all the same color. They're all gold screws. You see that? That's how you know those are the ones. They're gold and they're in that little hub like that. That's how you know it's for the keyboard. They're in a little casing, silver casing like that. So this is our last screw. And we're gonna take this off. We're halfway done with the removal. Then you put it in the same way you put it in the same way you take it out, and I'll show you. Got it. Got it. Good. We're almost done. Okay. Now we got that one. What you want to do is you want to shake it a little bit. You want to just up. See my finger? Up. And pull up. Gently pull up. Take your fingers, under fingers, and just pull up. Under the keys and just pull up. And this one. And when you replace, you got to be careful of the models. This one is model NSK DJ101. OKR 737. That's a common one. Make sure your model matches, or your keyboard may not be compatible. Your replacement keyboard, if it doesn't match that DPN number. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the number, DKR 737. That's our replacement number. These keyboards go really bad, so that's good to know easily. And then put it back. It's the same way you put it back in. Just slide it back. It'll slide back in like so. You just pop that like this and pop it back in, and then put the piece back like so. You slide it in. I'm not going to put it all the way back because I have to replace the keyboard, and then pop them in the grooves and snap back with this long plastic bezel. Okay, well, that's about it. And it's useful to know these run about $15 new on eBay, cheap $9. I recommend to buy them new. I don't recommend to buy them used because this was used and my keys didn't work. My two W, S, and X keys don't work, so I have to end up replacing these. And if you want to get a keyboard in Russian or some other language, it's going to cost you even more, well over $40, at least $40. So these are very expensive to replace. Okay, well, that's it. That's the cheap ass guy. So thanks for watching. Bye.